YouTube Premium is not available in your country. I'm going to show you how you can fix this. There are a lot of countries that have access to YouTube Premium. You can find the countries that have access to YouTube Premium version. So if your country is not there, you have no access to this. YouTube Premium is not available in my country. As all YouTube users already know, YouTube Premium's absence can be a bummer. Yet there are some ways to navigate the app without ads. You can optimize your YouTube exploration using ad blocker extensions in Chrome. But first, you need to check their legality in your region. The other solution is YouTube for Kids, which offers ad-free environment. The VPNs work like they can mask your location and help you pretend to be elsewhere. This feature allows you to access geo-restricted services like YouTube Premium. However, you must use VPNs cautiously, as they violate YouTube's terms of service. Prioritizing reputable VPNs and recognizing the potential risk and consequences is essential. We all know that platforms differ from YouTube and cannot be replaced quickly. You can check if options like Netflix, Spotify, or others are available in your country. We can also put our hopes to the future and wait for the platform to access more and more countries.